morning, Stellar Stars. My name is Amory.
And my name is Brennan.
Welcome to the Stellar News. Today's date is Monday, January 12th, 2026.
We have been in school for 84 days.
Today's clubs is basketball, Lakers versus Celtics, Battle of the Books, and Shooting Star Singers.
The weather forecast for today is fair with a high temperature of 59.
Your three choices for today is a barbecue pork sandwich, an egg bite, and French toast sticks.
We want to wish a happy birthday to Maria in 5th,
Mason in 5th,
Jaylyn in 2nd,
Jalitzia in 2nd,
and Catalina in 1st.
And also happy birthday to Miss Reed in 1st grade. And did you know that today is National Clean Off Your Desk Day?
Wow, that's cool.
Thank you for watching the Stellar News. Have a motivational Monday.